Tell me you see this shine and movement in my hair. Today I'm using the SOS hair mask from Kreyol Essence. It reduces shedding, breakage, and all the things. I'm starting off by cleansing my scalp with the Kreyol Essence Scalp Care Black Castor Oil Shampoo and Conditioner, getting all up in there, getting all that gunk and gel out of my hair. And then we're going to move on to the new SOS hair mask. This adds shine and helps your hair appear more healthy and stronger and thicker and fuller. It has key ingredients like Haitian black castor oil and Redensil that helps promote healthy hair growth. I'm a sucker for things that smell good, and baby, this smells good. It is the next day and my hair smells and looks amazing. Do you see the shine and the curls? I have a lot of different hair products, but this one has given my hair exactly what it needs on the first try.